Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. I want to show you some new stickers that are releasing in my shop tomorrow. Tomorrow is March 1st, and I have 10 new floral designs with the matching sticker kit that has the boxes and the headers. So I put these in, I think, alphabetical order. Now these do come with the mini size sticker sheet, which is half of the small size. I just didn't print any. I'm having a bit of an issue with clear sticker paper right now. So yeah, that's a whole situation I'll talk about. I've got some on the way, but I'm going on like 10 days of waiting on 2 orders that I've placed now with 2 different companies. I don't know what's going on. So anyways, I did not print the mini ones and cut them for myself, but I went ahead and I'm going to try to film videos with all of these stickers and give you some ideas of how to use them. So the first ones we have are bright daisies. I think daisies are my favorite florals ever. I love the bright, happy colors. I don't think that the colors are showing up as well on camera as they probably should, but these are really pretty, bright, happy, cheerful colors. And then we have the matching kit. So we have those. Then we have charming bouquets. Such pretty colors. I love these colors. Matching kit. I think my camera is zoomed in a little bit much, but hopefully you can appreciate the close-up view. We have fanciful, and I really like these. I love outline florals. I just think they're so pretty when they've got like that outline. And then I did something a little different with these, and I did like some little strips, some border strips. So you get 2 of those border strips on each of the whatever size sticker sheet you choose. And then we have the matching kit. We have Fascination. These are just really pretty. These can go for like the type of weather we're in now. These give me kind of like a moody ending of winter, beginning of spring type colors. We have the matching kit here. We have Fluttering Beauty. These are my favorite. These are my favorite of, well, maybe not. These are one of my favorites of this release. These colors are so pretty. The butterflies are just gorgeous. I love them. We have our matching kit. These are another of my absolute favorite this release, the pastel daisies. So I love pastel colors. They're so pretty, so pretty. We have the matching kit, so pretty together, perfect for spring. We have Sakura 2, which are, I'm pretty sure these are cherry blossoms. I hope they are because I named them Sakura. But they have the cute little birds. Look at the pretty birds. So, so pretty. We have the matching kit. We have spring orchids. Or maybe these are, oh gosh, maybe these are orchids. They look the same. Oh well, these are called Sakura. I don't know what kind of flowers they are, but they're called Sakura too. The spring orchids are really pretty pinks and blues. I always love the bicycles and the baskets for springtime, but we have the butterflies and the birds for this one as well. So, so pretty. We have the matching kit. These are almost the same colors, but they're different florals. I think these are hydrangeas, maybe. Some of y'all know flowers better than I do. I just like flowers because they're pretty. I don't know what kind they are. But it's 2 different types of florals. So this is called Sweet Spring. And Sweet Spring has the cute truck with, of course, bluebirds and the butterflies as well. This is our matching kit. These colors are so bold and vibrant. So, so pretty for spring. And then the last one we have is called Vibrant Blooms. I know, Yvonne, you like the really bright, cheerful colors too, so I'm hoping you'll like these. Just really pretty, cheerful. These can go for spring and summer. Pretty vibrant boxes to match. So yeah, we have 10 new floral designs available, well, actually tonight at midnight. So technically March 1st. And the Frugal February is continuing on into March. You guys appreciated that so much. I got so much good feedback on the Frugal February. I decided to continue. So all stickers in my shop until further notice, or 50% off. It's an automatic discount. You cannot use any other discount codes or anything like that. 50% is like my maximum that I can give as a discount. So yeah, if you want to grab any of these new designs, I have tons and tons of spring stickers, spring florals in my shop already from the last, what have I been doing this, 3-4 years now? Gosh, almost 5 years. 2019, I think I started. Wow. So, yeah, head over, save 50% off. Just remember, my processing times right now are between 10 and 14 days. A lot of times I get them done quicker, but right now I'm having a little delay, like I said, with the clear sticker paper from 2 different companies. So yeah, if you order the matte, I have tons and tons of the paper, the actual white matte paper. I have lots of that, plenty of that. It's just I'm at a standstill waiting on the clear sticker paper. So I hope you can understand and bear with me. You are getting 50% off. I promise I do ship my orders. They're gonna ship. It's just a matter of when I can get the sticker paper. So anyways, I thought I'd give you that little sneak peek. Head over to my website tonight. I say midnight. It depends on what time I'm ready to go to bed, because I have to physically activate all of the like the products on my website. So sometimes I do it a little bit early, so just keep checking in. They may be available, you know, before midnight. Just depends on when I decide to go to bed or what I have to do tonight. So anyways, that's it for this video and this little sneaky peeky. I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm gonna film some plan with me, so I'll see you over on those videos. Thank y'all so much. Bye guys.